Hi everyone, this is Stephanie. This time we are going to share with you how to cook this anchovy with peanut. We have the spicy and not spicy one. Prepare your dry peanuts for about 200 grams. We are going to divide this into two, spicy and not spicy. Pick the good one only. For about 100 grams of anchovy, 10 grams of red chili, 50 grams of shallots, and 2 cloves of garlic. We will also need galangal, bay leaf, tamarind, and palm sugar. Now pound the red chili in the mortar. Just pound coarsely and then add the garlic and shallots. Then add in the galangal and bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, mix with water so we can have the juice. Rinse your peanut once you preheat the oil and add in right away so your peanut won't be mushy. Stir fry your peanut with medium-low heat flame. Keep stirring about 2 to 3 minutes or until the color is darker. Then remove and set aside. Same way also with the anchovy. Rinse and add in to stir fry right away. Stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes until the anchovy is crispy. Then remove and set aside. And we have here the not spicy one. Now, with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, stir fry the seasoning mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add about 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Then add half of the peanut and the anchovy. Stir and it's done for the spicy one. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.